Evolution SoniXs TR-6, the new generation in strapping solutions. Pro and base machine diversity from Mosca. From entry model to high-end product, Evolution SoniXs TR-6 Pro, the fully automated high-tech machine. The new generation of high-performance strapping machines in standard 6 design can be deployed in many industries. Precise, incremental package positioning combined with metric definition of strapping positions ensure exact strapping results. Good accessibility thanks to easy dismantling of machine components. Quick, simple maintenance of the new standard 6 strap path thanks to tool-free dismantling of relevant components. The patented ultrasonic technology ensures highly economical welding results and is particularly low in emissions. The sonotrode is specifically tailored to strapping requirements and oscillates at a frequency of 40 kHz during the welding process. The energy required for welding is directly applied to the joining zone of the strap ends. The high-frequency oscillation of the sonotrode produces molecular friction in the joining zone and plastifies the material. During welding, the molecular chains are reordered along the melt flow. Upon cooling under joining pressure, the top-quality welding of the strap ends is achieved. User-friendly coil changes. The automatic strap threading system ensures a simple and quick coil change. A colorful touch panel ensures intuitive operation and programming of all relevant machine parameters. Additional values, such as strap tension or conveyor speed, can be allocated to a specific product. Products can also be processed fully automatically via internal length measurement or external interface signals. Energy-efficient electromechanical actuators optimize the processes. Depending on product measurements, actuators, including hold-down device and package stop, are pre-positioned, which reduces process time. Product throughput increases. Evolution SoniXs TR-6 Pro, the fully automated high-tech machine. Evolution SoniXs TR-6 Base, the cost-efficient entry model in the fully automated segment. The strapping machine can be integrated into diverse processing lines. Easy machine operation via digital display in the operating panel. Manual switching between different strapping programs, such as single, double, or multi-strapping. A choice of table extensions help to tailor the machines to diverse applications. Pneumatic actuators, such as the hold-down device and the package stop, ensure perfect product handling. All machine versions are easy to operate, regardless of whether they are controlled pneumatically or electromechanically. All feature an open and easily accessible construction. TR-6 machines can be used in diverse areas, such as logistics, print, and pharma. They all demonstrate excellent throughput and feature high machine availability. Evolution SoniXs TR-6 Base is the cost-efficient entry model in the fully automated segment. Evolution SoniXs TR-6, the new generation in strapping solutions.